Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, Nigerian musician Tiwa Savage reviews how a sex tape got leaked. Let's check out the story. Nigerian music star Tiwa Savage, who says she's been blackmailed over a sex tape of herself and her partner, has shared how it was leaked. Speaking in an interview with American OAP Angie Martinez of Power 105.1, the singer absolved people close to her of deliberately leaking the video. She said, "It is not from someone working closely with me. What happened is that the person did it on Snap and he posted it by accident, but he quickly deleted it. However, someone got it before he could delete it, and it is a very short video, but it is me. It is going to be out there and I can just imagine the memes. I just found out yesterday. I could not sleep last night." The singer also said she tried to manage the situation to no avail, and she said they tried to stall the blackmailer but later decided that she is going to own the narrative. She further said she is not ashamed of it, adding that this is someone she is dating and she is not cheating, neither is he, capping it up with the fact that they are both grown-ups. She says she cannot believe it is happening to her and feels for her fan because they will have to keep defending her. She also added, saying, "I can switch off my phone or have someone run my account so I do not see that, but my fans will feel the need to protect me. I would like my fans to ignore it." The singer hinted that the blackmail sent the sex video of herself and her current date to her team demanding money. Let's check out a bit of the interview.
I was leaving a radio station. I'm in my car. My road manager sends me a message. He's like, "Yo, check your phone." And I'm like, "Oh, okay." So I check it and there's a video. And I'm just like, whoa. I'm like, "Where did you get this from?" And he's like, "I just got it like 20 minutes ago." And
this is somebody on your team?
Yeah. This video was sent to him. And it's a tape of me and the person I'm dating right now. Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
I know.
So you're in the middle of like crisis right now.
So
I mean, you seem very like calm and okay, but
yeah, because I said the first thing I got off the phone and I sent it to my manager and she was like, "Oh my God," and I'm like, "What are we gonna do?" So the person's asking for money now.
Of course.
So
is it the person you were dating?
No. And he's going crazy too. So I'm like, yesterday I'm like, "What are we gonna do?" And my manager's like, "Well, how much are they asking for?" So I woke up and I was like, "No, I'm not." Because I pay it now, and then 2 months down the line, you're going to come back again, and then 2 years. And then who knows, even if I do send you the money, you probably would release it anyway. Like the fact that I'm not going to allow anyone to blackmail me for doing something that is natural. So I'm like, what are we going to do? And my manager's like,
well guys, what do you think about this? Let's know what you think in the comment section down below. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.